If you want to know how to fix problem on TikTok when it says this sound isn't licensed, you've came to the right place. So let's open our TikTok account, and then let's say that you've created a video and saved it as a draft basically, and the TikTok says that you cannot use this sound because it's not licensed, but you sure that it's licensed and you have to use it, you need to use it. How can we fix it? Firstly, make sure that this sound is really licensed. Only in this case you can use it. So the next way we need to do is just to simply click on our account, go to our account, and then just click on more in the right top corner right up here. Then just click on settings and privacy to open this page. Then scroll down to find like support and about area, and then just choose report the problem. So after that we need to find the necessary topic, and here we need to click on videos and sounds. So after that we can easily scroll down to find sounds, and then just find unable to use sound or unable to use sound for business account. So basically there are two differences. Let's click on unable to use sound business account. So after that we'll come to this page where we can find the reasons why can't we use, because it's not licensed for commercial use or something like this. Let's click on no here, and then we need to click on need more help. It's very important, click here. And then we need to explain our problem, tell them our feedback. So what do we need to write here? We need to write something. I have a draft where sound is licensed, but TikTok says it is not. Help me please. And then just click on submit. And in a few minutes or maybe hours, the TikTok support team will receive our message, and probably they will help us, and they will like have the opportunity to make it easy for us to post the video. So after that, we'll be able to post it and we won't receive any restrict problems or something like this. So this is the only one way of how can we fix this problem. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.